So this is going to be a Ballymore Cantilever ladder design flaw / mess up factory deal that I need to correct the issue. What I think happened is they put the wrong angle on this track, which causes this leg to be too far down, which in turn only allows the 4-inch casters that were originally on here, or the 4-inch wheels, not the caster, only allows it to come out that far because this angle is wrong. And as you see, there's supposed to be 2 holes right here on this plate, one on the top, one on the bottom. As you see, that hole lines up for the lock when the ladder is disengaged. But as you see, there is no hole on the bottom for when the ladder is engaged and all the way out like it's supposed to be, and I got no way to put a lock on it. So with that design flaw up top causing a push down on the ladder when there's 4-inch wheels on there like they're supposed to be, like 4-inch ladder wheels, causes this rail here to push down on this bracket that's supposed to hold this rail in place, and it busted out the rivet on the top on this side and busted out the rivet on the bottom on the other side. So what I had to do is I pushed everything in. I put 2 self-tappers in the top, 2 self-tappers in the bottom. I'm gonna have to drill a hole since the factory forgot to do it, and since I can't use 4-inch ladder wheels, this is the ladder wheel that was on it, and as you see, you can see the hole on the caster. 4-inch caster doesn't line up. So what I had to do is go on Lowell's shelf, which we can do, and they have the little 3-inch swivel caster or the little 3-inch rigid caster. They only had one rigid, which is cheaper, available at this store, so I had to grab the 2 3-inch swivels, which is like $1 more, take the 3-inch wheel off of it and put it on the 4-inch caster so it allows it to be disengaged all the way, so I can drill a new hole like it's supposed to be, and then they will be able to use their ladder. Simple fix, quick fix, all done at Lowell's same day.